2, 1, go!
Welcome to match number 4. Already we have fuel going into hoppers and hubs. We have Cyborg Cats grabbing some fuel from the middle of the field. They've got a lot of fuel in tow, and they're evacuating that very quickly from their hopper into their hub. Meanwhile, over on blue, 3 robots seeing if they can keep up with this one Cyborg Cat, the volume of fuel put into their hubs. 45-21 our score as we start our tele-operated period. This means our Blue Alliance will have the first offensive shift that will start in 4 seconds. Already, robots making their way to the middle of the field, seeing if they can claim as much fuel as possible into their robots. Blue now with the scoring shift. We have robots launching fuel, carefully placing to accurately put that into their hub. One at a time are these 2 blue robots. Meanwhile, in the middle of the field, playing some strategic defense or perhaps preparations for offense are 2 red robots shuttling fuel as much as they can over to the red side of the field. We have a Cyborg Cats robot with a ton of fuel in their robot working to see if they can evacuate that from their hopper into their hub. Other red robots seeing if they can put fuel closer into their red alliance zone, it seems, and Cavaliers joining the offensive fray, putting up fuel one at a time into their hub. A couple of fuel coming out of that Cyborg Cats robot into their hub. It seems a few more as their offensive shift concludes. Back over to the blue side of the field, we have a ton of fuel over in one of the corners of this Blue Alliance side. A little help from one alliance partner to the other as the Super Hornets get dislodged from some fuel they were stuck on by their alliance partner, 3792. Fuel going into their hub from the Super Hornets as their 2 alliance partners play some defense and perhaps some strategy happening in the middle of the field to place fuel. A ton of fuel still in that Cyborg Cats robot as they make their way all the way over to the blue side of the field. Looks like they're going to play some defense on the Super Hornets as their chosen path as they have 10 seconds left in their offensive shift. Human players for the Red Alliance placing fuel into their hub, powered by some funneling of fuel from red robots to the human players. Some nice robot and human interaction from the Red Alliance. 30 seconds left. Both alliances able to score now as they work to advance their scores to see who will come out on top at the end of our match. Still defense being played in this cat and mouse game between the Cyborg Cats and Super Hornets. Super Hornets slip the defense, place some fuel up into their hub. Looks like they're pushed off course by the Cyborg Cats as they attempt to score more fuel. Time winding down, 5 seconds left in this one. We have a red robot making their way over. Looks like they might try to climb. Time expires, and we'll have a final score just after this. Our score is in, and it's the Red Alliance winning this match number 4. Red Alliance with a score of 76-58. 3 ranking points assigned to our Red Alliance for their match win, but no additional ranking points earned by our Red Alliance. Over on blue, no ranking points assigned to them, but valiant efforts to all teams in our match. Once our field is reset, we'll be back on field with action for match number 5.